Yeah.
What's up, guys?
Good morning, guys. My name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Arctic Vet channel. We got Chad back here again because we have a nice little package right here.
Yes, we do.
And this is the first part that I've ever been sent. So yes, this video is sponsored, and it is sponsored by Vette Lights. If you guys have any need for lighting on your vet, no matter what year, go ahead and check out vettelights.com. I'm going to put that link down in my description below. I also have a promo code you guys can use. That is just Arctic Vet.
Yes,
That'll give you 10% off any purchase there. The best part is I've been working with these guys for a long time. Honestly, I don't even remember since when. I want to say since I bought the Corvette. So real quick, I'm going to give you a little walk around on what I have purchased from them and what is currently installed on the car. And then we'll cover what's in this package because I'm super excited. Can't wait to show you guys how we're gonna do this. So let me turn this camera around, show you guys what are Vette Lights in the car already. It is done to the Corvette are my switchbacks. I'll show you guys how those work here in 1 second. Also, I'll get my lights, I'll turn those on because this side marker here is also from Vette Lights. And these things look really, really good at nighttime. The other thing that I've had from Vette Lights is these side markers as well. Yeah, my wrap looks bad, I know. But those reverse lights, man. There's nothing brighter than these reverse lights. All the time, at night I get people, dude, your reverse lights are brighter than your headlights. And I'm like, I know, it's crazy, right? So let's go ahead and hit this little switch right here. And then come back here and show you guys those tag lights. Are they on? They are not. I need to, yeah, they are on. It's just too hard to see during the day, but they're on. And if my reverse lights weren't on, you could tell because I can tell in person that they're on.
Yeah, they're pretty bright
down there. So besides that, we're up to like 3 things there, I think, already.
Yeah.
Another side marker, and you guys are getting a little sneak peek of what's happening in the Corvette. Oh no! Ah, here we go. Look at that. That is gorgeous. They actually sell these housings too. So your DRL housings and switchback lights, they sell those. Let me go crank that blinker on real quick. We'll just set you guys right here to watch. So as you can see, it is now blinking amber. And then when I take the blinker off, switches back to white. That is why they're called switchbacks, and these are honestly a lot better than some of the competitors out there because I bought a set from a company, put them in, absolutely loved them. Well, then I reached out Vette Lights and got me some switchbacks from them and was blown away. I actually did a video a year or 2 ago over that, so I'll put a link to that in the description as well. You guys can check that comparison video out. It's really worth it. Alright, so Chad the mechanic has our package here laid out.
Yep.
We've got what is here, which are the C5 tinted laser lenses. Oh my gosh, I didn't read that right at all. C5 tinted lenses, laser LED side markers. And they come from Vette Lights. Also sent me out a decal, but look at that thing. I've seen pictures and other videos of these and oh man, they're beauty. They're beauty. So we're gonna be swapping these with taking these red ones. They're kind of smoked, but they're not quite that smoked. So I'll show you guys how to do that super fast. Should take like 5 minutes. We got Chad the mechanic in the Cars and Coffee hat today, and he is kicking it with some Nikes.
Yes, sir.
Where are them boots? And look at that. He's got a white shirt.
We're going up underneath here to take out these little nuts that are on the back of the lights.
Let me show you one of these lights real quick. So the back of it it just has little pegs, and that's what you screw these flat like washer like nuts on. They're kind of weird. I'll show you as soon as we get one out. Another option, if you already have your tail light out, you can do that. But if it's not out, honestly go from the bottom. It's a lot quicker. Because we discovered that the old one of these on that side has been broken and completely glued. Didn't ever notice that before.
And now we're missing.
And so we're missing one of these nut washer things, which that's what it looks like. So pretty weird. We're gonna have to run to the store and grab one. Anyhow, I want to show you guys how this is gonna work. So here's your plug, and this is a Vette Lights LED that I had in there previously. So we're gonna put that over there, and our new one, you have to just stick it right on in there just like it's a light bulb. Wait for that
That's
click. It's good to go. Before we close this all up, I'm gonna go turn on the lights, check it, because LEDs are, I forget what you call it, but you gotta, they work one way. Oh, it's gonna bug me, guys. It's gonna bug me. Drop the comment down below, let me know what it is.
Ooh! Ooh! That's pretty.
Oh my God! Are you kidding me right now? Woo! Dang. They're directional. They're directional. I think that's the word. Took me a minute. Electricity can only flow one way through an LED. So, there we go. Oh my gosh. I need to get some pictures of this at night. Oof. That. Oh my goodness. So we're gonna go ahead, make sure this one's locked in, put the other one in, and then we will
Wow, that's bright.
get you guys some night pictures because, oof. Also gotta fix my car, get it running before then.
Those are bright. Wow.
So anyhow, stick around through the end of this video. We're actually gonna move you guys out here a little bit so I can tell that I'm looking at you. Alright guys, so there you have it. That is the LED light. Oh, look at that thing. It is bright. Bright. And we're standing out here in the sun and you guys can see that.
Yeah, here, you want to compare the difference between the old one?
So let's go over this old side real quick.
Okay, so
This is just a standard LED from Vette Lights. It's pretty bright, I'm not gonna lie. And that's what it looked like. You know, looks a lot better than the stock bulb, but man, if you guys can, go this route. Go that route, 110%. Because dang. So anyhow, like I said, we're gonna get you guys some night video of this, pictures probably, and let you guys see what it looks like in the night because oh my gosh, I'm blown away. So big shout out to Vette Lights. Thank you, Cole, so much. There's their logo, and then flip that puppy over and there's his contact information.
Pick you up
All
some
of
Vette
that
Lights.
will be down in the description below. Thank you so much. If you guys enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, drop some comments down below.
Hit that subscribe button.
You already know that red button right there. It keeps moving on
Hit
me.
the bell icon to get notifications when we post new videos.
Now let's roll those night pics.